Welcome to the world of AI with Google AI Studio. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world. It's making things smarter and faster. Google AI Studio is a platform that makes it easy for everyone to use AI. Think of it like a playground for AI. You can experiment, learn, and build your own AI models. Even if you're new to this, Google AI Studio makes it simple. Google AI Studio is free to use. This makes it a great place to start your AI journey. Let's explore what makes Google AI Studio so special. Google AI Studio has many features that make it easy to use. One of the best things is that you don't need to write a lot of code. It provides all the tools you need in one place. You can access data, build models, and test them all within the platform. This makes it much simpler than traditional programming. Google AI Studio uses a visual approach. You can easily connect different parts of your AI project like building blocks. This makes the learning process fun and engaging. Google AI Studio is designed with beginners in mind. It offers a gentle learning curve. You don't need to be an expert to get started. The platform provides many tutorials and examples. These resources will help you understand the basics of AI. You can learn at your own pace and experiment without fear of making mistakes. Google AI Studio has a strong community of users. You can connect with other learners and experts. This supportive environment will help you on your AI journey. Google AI Studio can be used for a variety of tasks. You can build models to predict customer behavior. You can also create AI systems for image recognition. It can be used to analyze data and generate insights. Businesses can use it to improve their operations. The possibilities are endless. Google AI Studio empowers you to apply AI to real-world problems. Whether you're a student, researcher, or entrepreneur, Google AI Studio can help you achieve your goals. Section 5. Getting started, what you need. To use Google AI Studio, you need a Google account. If you use Gmail or Google Drive, you already have one. If not, it's easy to create a free account. You don't need to download any software. Google AI Studio works entirely online. All you need is a computer with an internet connection. Once you have a Google account and internet access, you're ready to go. Google AI Studio makes it that simple to start your AI journey. Section 6. Your first steps in Google AI Studio. Go to the Google AI Studio website. You'll see an option to create a new project. Click on it to begin. Choose a project name and select a template. Google AI Studio offers templates for common AI tasks. This will give you a head start. Now you can start building your AI model. Use the drag and drop interface to connect different components. Google AI Studio makes it fun and easy. Section 7. Exploring Google AI Studio's Toolbox. Google AI Studio provides a wide range of tools for building AI models. You can use pre-trained models or create your own from scratch. The platform supports popular machine learning frameworks. These frameworks provide the building blocks for your AI models. Google AI Studio makes it easy to use them. You can also use Google AI Studio to deploy your models. This means making your AI models accessible to others. Google AI Studio guides you through the process. Section 8. Learning resources for your AI journey. Google AI Studio offers a wealth of learning resources. You can access tutorials, documentation, and sample projects. These resources are designed to help you learn and grow. The Google AI Studio community is another valuable resource. You can connect with other users, ask questions, and share your knowledge. Learning together makes the journey more enjoyable. Don't hesitate to explore these resources. The more you learn, the more you'll be able to achieve with AI. Section 9. Dive into the world of AI. Google AI Studio makes AI accessible to everyone. It's a powerful platform that is easy to use. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Google AI Studio has something to offer. Start exploring Google AI Studio today. Experiment, learn, and build your own AI models. The world of AI is waiting for you.